In today's rapidly evolving energy sector, CEOs face unprecedented challenges that can significantly impact their bottom line. Unplanned shutdowns, an aging workforce, and lack of asset transparency are just a few of the issues keeping industry leaders awake at night. But what if you could turn these challenges into opportunities? Welcome to the future of asset management with Siemens Electrification X Asset Management. This revolutionary platform is not just a solution, it's a digital transformation for your entire organization. By incorporating IoT sensors within your medium voltage switchgears, you're not just preventing failures, you're propelling your company into the digital age. Our data shows that unplanned shutdowns can be reduced with proper condition monitoring. Imagine having the power to make informed decisions anytime, anywhere. With Electrification X, you'll have unprecedented visibility into your assets' performance, health, and operational status. Our advanced IoT sensors act as the eyes and ears of your infrastructure, continuously monitoring critical parameters like temperature, humidity, and operational status. This data is securely transmitted to the cloud, where it's analyzed and presented in an intuitive dashboard. But Electrification X is more than just data. It's about empowering your entire organization. It breaks down silos, enabling seamless collaboration across departments and driving a culture of innovation. For you, as a CEO, this means reduced operational expenses, optimized capital expenditure, and improved asset utilization. Electrification X. Asset management isn't just about managing assets, it's about future-proofing your business. It's time to embrace the digital transformation and unlock the full potential of your energy infrastructure. Are you ready to lead your company into the future? Contact your Siemens representative today to learn how Electrification X Asset Management can transform your operations and drive long-term success.